Now Hajira, tell me, which is the largest continent? Very good. Which is the smallest continent? Which continent is island? Which is the coldest continent? Very good. Why this is white color? Yes. Which bird you can see in Antarctica? Very good. Now, which animal you can found in Africa more? Lion. Very good.
70% water, 30% land.
Thank you, Hajira.